I'm happy they don't, because other people outside do, and they appreciate me more than my own country. So, I'm happy that I'm be able to crown elsewhere apart from Jamaica. So I'm just looking to continue doing what I'm doing until I'm happy to step away when it's time.
I know it's been a while, but I'm here. I'm still working. I'm still giving thanks, and I'm still strong, and I'm still optimistic, and I'm still fighting the fight, and I'm still doubting my doubt. Remember, you are not finished until you are dead. Keep bouncing back. And when I'm driving, my magic always come to me. I call my motivation talking and my motivation speech magic, because a lot of people reach out to me and say, Yohan, what you're doing, it really encouraged me. And I want to tell someone today, in life, it's funny, you're going to fail more than you win. And I believe that every person have to have a story. What if everything was given to you on a platter? Would you really appreciate everything that you have? Or you would just say, oh, it just come easy. If I could look in the future when I was younger and know this is how my life was going to turn out, I have to struggle, I have to vomit every day, I have to work so hard. Would I want it? Would I do it again? Yes, I would. Because it helped me to be the person that I am today. It helped me to be strong, courageous, never give up. When you're down for the count, always get back up. And I thank God for that, because God gave me this for a reason, knowing the fact that I can manage. He didn't give me this talent knowing that I would fail and stop. He gave me this talent knowing that it will come with challenges and it's going to come with failure. But how do you move from that? Just get up and continue going, because you're not done until you're dead. So if you're feeling like you're in the slum, if you're feeling like that your life don't worth it, remember, God put you there for a reason, knowing the fact that you can overcome anything. I don't care what people say. God is my answer. He tell me when to stop, and he tell me when to keep going. Keep going, Yohan, because he's my refuge and my strength.
So basically, that was Yohan Blake trying to let you guys know that he really doesn't care about what anybody has to say about him. We remember that recently Yohan Blake has been dragged, and also he has been insulted on social media. And the reason is because he refuses to retire, right? A lot of people are saying that he should have retired already, but Yohan Blake is having this hope that one day he is going to return back to his sprinting form. Gone are the days when he was the second fastest man on earth. So Yohan Blake is having this feeling that one day he is going to become that person that he used to be long time ago. Do you think that is possible? Do you think Yohan Blake has possibility of returning back to his form as the second fastest man on earth? Do you think there is any possibility of Yohan Blake dominating in the next years to come, considering the fact that he is not yet ready to retire? Let me hear your opinions. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.